Hi, welcome to my channel, Ms.Ana. Today we're going to start with math for fourth grade students. We're going to learn how to convert a fraction into a decimal. So our first example is going to be 3/5 or 3/5. So we're going to do it like this. In this case, if you notice, 5 is more than 3. So we have to add a 0 over here and a 0 on the top. And we have 30 divided by 5. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. So 30 minus 30 is equal to 0. So the answer to this fraction is 0.6, which is our decimal. In the case of having a different type of fraction as 4/6, the first step that we need to do is simplify this fraction. So we have to divide 4 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2. So why do we divide it by 2? Because 2 is the common factor between 4 and 6. So we will have 2/3. So we're going to proceed doing the division. And in this case, happen the same as before. 2 is less than 3. So we have to add a 0 over here and a 0 on the top. So we will have 20 divided by 3, which is equal to 6. So why 6? Because 6 times 3 is 18, which is the closest we can get to 20. And our answer will be 2. So because we added a 0 already and a point over here, we're going to add a 0 over here. So every time we get an answer for a subtraction, after adding a 0 point, we're going to add a 0 to the answer. So we will do the same. 20 divided by 3, it will be equal to 6 again. And it will be equal to 2. So if you notice, you get the same answer one time and one time and once again. So in this case, we will just leave it over here. And we will get as an answer 0.66. So when we see that a fraction or a division continues with the same answer, we add a line over here, which means that this is periodic. Another type of fraction is 25, for example, divided by 10. The longer way to do it is 25 divided by 10. So in this case, 25 divided by 10, we can do it with a 2 here. So 2 times 10 is 20. 25 minus 20 is 5. So I added a point over here because we needed a 50 over here. So 50 divided by 10 is 5. Then we subtract and we will get 0. So our answer to this fraction is 2.5. Another way to do it, which is easier, is we count how many zeros we have over here. So we have just 1 0. So we put the 25 over here and we imagine that we have a point at the end. So because we have 1 0, we move the point one time. In that case, we will get 2.5. In the case of having 25 divided by 100, you will get the same 25, but you will move the point 2 times because we have 2 zeros. So you will get 1 and 2. And we add a 0 over here. So our answer will be 0.25. In the case of having 1,000. You will get the same 25 and move the point 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And put the point over here. So because you have the space over here, which is empty, you are a 0 over here and a 0 over here. So your answer will be 0.025. That was everything for today. I hope you liked this video and I hope it was helpful for you. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you need the Spanish version, you can even find it in my channel as well. See you next time.